Hi there everybody. So in today's video I have this Audi A4 and I'm having an issue with the warning light there, that yellow low oil light, and it's telling me to add 1 liter, but this car is had its oil changed just a week ago or so, so technically it should have oil in it. So at the moment I'm suspecting the oil level sensor might be faulty. So I'm just gonna check the oil quantities and plug in the OBD and see what is going on. Okay, so there are a few fault codes here, but none of them relate to the oil level sensor. These are just other things which are not really related, so we'll have to check this at a different time. So I drained the oil in the Audi to see how much oil was in it, just in case it was low and there wasn't enough. But this had actually, the manual says 4.6 liters. So far I measured 5 here, almost 5.5, and I've got even some more in here. So what I'm guessing is that the customer may have topped it up, because he saw the in the warning light it says top up a liter. So I think he topped up a liter, and that's why there is too much oil in it. But the warning light is still showing that there's no enough oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that oil level sensor, and we'll take it from there. So this is the oil level sensor here. It's just 3 nuts that we have to remove and take it out. Of course I already drained the oil, so now we can take this out, and I'm gonna change it. Okay, so now we are going to remove the sensor with a 10mm socket here. Just to have an oil pan underneath, because some oil may come out of there. So we can go ahead and do that now. I have my new sensor here. It's the one there. It's a genuine one. It's the box there. Now we can go ahead and fit that. Just gonna clean the surface a little bit. So we don't really need to over tighten this. I mean, I could carry on going if I hold it. This is a small ratchet, but I could carry on going, but most likely I will damage the thread or something. So these are probably tightened to, again, maybe 15 Newton meters or so. No more than that, but I could carry on going, but there's no need. That should be enough to create a good seal there. Okay, so now I'm going to refit the cover down here, and I'm going to lower the car. We can put some oil and check that warning lamp if it's still on or not. Okay, that's it. Okay, so after changing the sensor, I started the car and the warning light was on for the oil level, which then led me to believe that maybe the sensor was okay. But I'm not sure what the relationship is with the sensor and the bonnet. But I shut the bonnet, opened it for a couple of minutes and closed it again, and then the oil level sensor thing disappeared, and now I can also read the oil level, which means once you change it, it needs to be reset somehow, but I'm not 100% sure what the procedure is. It's almost like it happened by chance, because I deleted all the fault codes on the car and whatever, but the light was still coming on, and eventually playing around with the bonnet and whatnot, it sort of reset itself. But I also changed the oil and filter in this car, so I had to reset the oil service interval. It might be something to do with that, but I'm no longer having that issue, which is the good news. So in a way, happy days. So I hope this video helps anyone tackling this oil level situation, and in any case, if you need to change the sensor, the video will show you how. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.